Lecture number 8 for the chapter Limits and Derivative for the class 11th, and in the last lecture we have discussed the definition of the derivative, its physical meaning, its geometrical meaning, and we have derived this derivative for if x की power n, so its derivative x n x की power n minus 1. This we have discussed and derived it by using the first principle method to find the derivative of the function. Now we are finding the derivative of the constant. Let us say c, which is a constant. What is the derivative of the constant? Again, let f dash c is equal to f x plus h minus f x upon h, limit h goes to 0. This is the formula of the first principle to find the derivative. So f x plus h will be equal to c. Fx is equal to c upon h, limit h goes to 0. So it will be equal to 0. So the derivative of the constant is, you write like this also, derivative d upon dx of the constant is equal to 0. Derivative of the constant equal to 0. So this we have done. After that, we'll find the derivative of the trigonometric function, that is, suppose if we have fx is equal to sin x, so what is the derivative of sin x? So again, using the formula f dash x is equal to fx plus h minus fx upon h, limit h goes to 0. So fx plus h will be equal to sin x plus h. Fx is sin x upon h, limit h goes to 0. Now using the formula of sin a minus sin b, which is equal to 2 cos a plus b upon 2. So it will be 2a plus 2x plus h upon 2 sin a minus b upon 2. So h by 2 upon h, limit h goes to 0. Limit h goes to 0. Now if we put h is equal to 0, so it will be cos x, remain this, and to make it equal to 1, you know how to use the derivative, use the limit. You can make it equal to 1 by dividing and multiplying by h by 2, so that it will become equal to 1 upon h, limit h goes to 0. So if we put limit h goes to 0, sin theta upon theta is equal to 1, you can cancel this h by this h. So by taking the limit h goes to 0, it will be 2 cos x, h0, 2x upon 2 and into 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 here. It is h by 2, h cancel, so 2 से 2 cancel, तो cos x is the derivative of sin x. तो sin x का derivative आपका cos x होता है. So this we have derived by using the first principle, the derivative of sin x. Similarly, we can find the derivative of cos x. आप cos x का भी derivative find कर सकते हैं. तो let us take fx is equal to cos x, and its derivative का formula हमें पता है, it is equal to f x plus h minus fx upon h, limit h goes to 0. So as usual, so f dash x will be equal to cos x plus h, that is fx plus h minus cos x upon h, limit h goes to 0. Now using the formula of cos a minus cos b, so it is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b upon 2, a plus b upon 2 sin a minus b upon 2, a minus b upon 2 upon h. So as usual, to make it equal to 1, you divide the sin h by 2 by h by 2 like this. So sin h by 2 upon h by 2 into h by 2 upon, already we have h, limit h goes to 0. So this is the arrangement. Now this will be equal to 1, h cancel, and if we put h goes to 0, so it will be 2x upon 2, that is sin x. तो minus का 2 sin x and half हमारे पास ये यहाँ पर बची रहा है, this is half. तो half से half cancel, तो it is minus sin x. तो minus sin x is the derivative of cos x. तो ये आपको लर्न करने हैं. sin x का derivative cos x का derivative minus sin x. This is, so derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. After that, we have the derivative of tan x. Fx is equal to tan x. तो वही एफ डैश एक्स यूजिंग द फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल फॉर्मूला 10a plus b 10 we can write the formula again. तो f dash x formula is f dash x is f x plus h minus fx upon h limit h goes to 0. तो लगाइए इस फॉर्मूला. तो f dash x will be 10 x plus h minus 10x upon h limit h goes to 0. We don't know the formula of 10a minus 10b, तो convert into sin and cos. आप इसको sin और cos में convert कर लीजिए like this. sin x upon cos x upon h limit h goes to 0. Now arrange it, taking the difference sin x plus h, cos x minus cos x plus h, sin x upon h cos x plus h cos x by subtracting it. Limit h goes to 0. Now see the numerator, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. It is a formula of sin a minus b. It is a formula of sin a minus b. Sin a minus b upon h cos x plus h into cos x. Limit h goes to 0. See this carefully. In the numerator we have the formula of sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. तो sin a minus b x से x का खत्म हो गया ये, तो it is sin h upon h है डिनोमिनेटर में, cos x plus h into cos x. Now take the limit h goes to 0. अब आप इसकी लिमिट लीजिए. तो sin x h upon h ये तो 1 के इक्वल, यहाँ पर h 0 हो जाएगा तो इट विल बी cos x और इंटू cos x, जो कि कितने के इक्वल हो गया, 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर x और 1 अपॉन cos स्क्वायर x sec स्क्वायर x के इक्वल हो गया. दिस इज द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ 10x. ये आपको लर्न करना है, 10x का डेरिवेटिव sec स्क्वायर x, like this. So like this you can find the derivatives of sec x, cosec x and cot x. So similarly you try yourself. Derivative of cot x will be equal to minus cosec square x. या आप खुद ही फाइंड करिए. Derivative of sec x will be equal to sec x into tan x. ये आप फर्स्ट प्रिंसिपल से फाइंड करेंगे, आगे जाएगा. एंड डेरिवेटिव विल बी ऑफ cosec x will be equal to minus cosec x into cot x. ये three derivatives, these three derivatives you have to find yourself and you have to learn their answers or their final answer, that is minus cosec square x, sec x into tan x and minus cosec x into cot x is the derivative of these 6 trigonometric functions. After that we have the product rule of the derivative. Product rule of the derivative. Suppose if y is equal to fx into gx, it is a product of the two function. The product rule says that dy dx is equal to f dash x into gx plus fx into g dash x. That is derivative of the first function multiplied by second plus second function multiplied by the derivative of the first. I'll prove it. You have to learn this. For example, suppose we have x square into sin x. तो product rule क्या है? Derivative of the first function, that is x square का derivative 2x into sin x plus x square derivative of the second function which is equal to cos x. So this is the product rule of the function when we have the product of the two functions, derivative of the function multiplied by the second and derivative of the first second function multiplied by first. I have taken this example, derivative of the first multiplied by second plus derivative of the second multiplied by first. This is known as the product rule of the differentiation. Product rule है differentiation का. You can prove it by using the first principle also. After that we have the quotient rule. Quotient rule for the derivative of the function. Suppose we have the quotient of the two function fx upon gx. So dy dx will be equal to, listen very carefully, square of the denominator denominator multiplied by the derivative of the numerator minus numerator multiplied by the derivative of the denominator, that is d dash x. This is the quotient rule for the quotient of the two functions. You can also find this formula by using the first principle. You try it yourself. So d by dx for the quotient rule is square of the denominator derivative of the numerator minus numerator derivative of the denominator. The first of all you have to find the derivative of the numerator. For example, suppose we have y is equal to sin x upon x square. ये quotient है, तो क्या फॉर्मूला है इसका d by dx का? By using the, it is square of the denominator derivative of the numerator का derivative sin x cos x होता है, minus numerator and derivative of the denominator जो कि x square है 2x के equal. So this is the quotient rule of the derivative of the two function, product rule and quotient rule. I am taking one more of the quotient rule. Suppose we have this x plus 1 upon x plus 2. It is the quotient of the two function. So d by dx will be equal to square of the denominator derivative of the numerator like this minus numerator derivative of the denominator, that is x plus 2. This is the quotient rule. अब आप इसका डेरिवेटिव पता कर लीजिए. x plus 2, x plus 1 का डेरिवेटिव 1 plus 2, क्योंकि x का डेरिवेटिव 1 होता है, 1 कांस्टेंट, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर दिस ब्रैकेट x का डेरिवेटिव 1 और 2 कांस्टेंट, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0 अपॉन x plus 2 का होल स्क्वायर. You can simplify this as far as possible. Square of the denominator derivative of the numerator minus numerator derivative of the denominator, that is x plus 2. And derivative of x plus 1 is 1 plus 0 क्योंकि x का डेरिवेटिव 1 और कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0. x plus 1 डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x plus 2 is x plus 2 का डेरिवेटिव, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 और 2 is the constant, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0. Let us take one more question for the product rule, that is x plus 1 into x plus 2. It is the product of the two functions. So you can use the product rule. First function derivative of the second function, you can find in the product rule derivative of anyone plus second function derivative of the first. यहाँ पर आप किसी का भी डेरिवेटिव पहले निकाल सकते हैं बिकॉज प्लस का साइन है. इन केस ऑफ क्वोशंट यू हैव टू फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ द न्यूमरेटर फर्स्ट. सो अगेन x plus 1 derivative of x plus 2 is 1 plus 0, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 और 2 का डेरिवेटिव 0 प्लस x plus 2 डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x का 1 और 1 का डेरिवेटिव 0. And open the bracket and simplify as far as possible. So this is the derivative of the function by using the product rule. So what we have done in this lecture, we have find the derivative of these, which is we can write like this: x की power n का derivative. We have done derivative of the constant, which is equal to 0. Derivative of x की power n is n, x की power n minus 1. Then we have done the derivative of sin x, which will be equal to cos x. ये आपको learn करने हैं सब. d upon dx is equal to cos x, which will be equal to minus sin x. We have calculated out. Then we have done the derivative of tan x, which is equal to sec square x. Then we have done the derivative of sec x, which is equal to sec x into tan x. Then we have done the derivative of cosec x. Cosec x का derivative we have done, which is equal to minus cosec x into cot x. And then we have done the derivative of cot x, which is equal to minus cosec square x. And these are the conclusions you have to learn: derivative of x to the power n, derivative of constant, derivative of sin x, derivative of cos x, tan x, sec x, cosec x and cot x. ये आपको लर्न करने हैं conclusions. After that we have done the product rule. Product rule क्या था? Product rule we have done. Suppose we have y is equal to fx into gx. तो इसका d by dx था product rule. Derivative of the first function multiply by second plus second multiply by the derivative of the derivative of the second function multiply by the first function. This is the quotient rule, product rule we have done. And after that, we have done the quotient rule. Quotient rule we have done. Suppose we have fx upon gx is the quotient of the two function. So its quotient rule is we have a square of the denominator derivative of the numerator minus numerator derivative of the denominator. ये हमारा quotient rule था. Okay, we'll continue the next lecture. Thank you.